In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect edX to ChatGPT. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside the ChatGPT interface so you can link the edX app and start using it without any confusion. I'll describe where each option lives on the screen and what to expect during the connection process. Begin in ChatGPT on the main screen. Look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there, usually an avatar or your initials. Click that profile area to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can control how ChatGPT behaves and manage add-ons. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This is the place where connections live and where you can add new ones. Open Apps, then select Explore Apps, or in some versions you may see Add More. Both options take you to the same catalog of available connections. At the top of that catalog, there's a search field. Click into the search bar and type edX. It helps to try both edX and edX if you don't see it right away, since some listings use different capitalization. After you enter the term, the edX app should appear in the results. Select the edX listing, then click Connect. That button starts the linking flow. From here, simply follow any on-screen instructions. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm that you want to connect, review what information the app can access, or accept terms provided by edX. If a prompt appears, read it carefully and continue. If no prompts appear, the connection will complete automatically. When the link is successful, you'll typically see a confirmation message and the edX app will show up under your apps list in Settings. That's how you can verify the connection at a glance. If the app doesn't appear right away, it may take a moment to populate. One quick tip as you proceed: interfaces evolve, so the label you see might read Connect, Install, or Enable. They all begin the same process. Also, keep an eye on any small checkboxes related to permissions. Understanding what you're approving helps you keep your account tidy and secure. And that's it. You clicked your profile at the bottom left, opened Settings, went into Apps, chose Explore Apps or Add More, searched for edX, selected it, hit Connect, and followed the instructions on screen. With those steps done, your edX connection to ChatGPT is ready to go. You can return to your chats and start using it whenever you need.